Today's video from Casio Help, we're looking at the SES400 model and a problem if your clerk sign-in button no longer works. So you used to come into the register and sign in on by pressing your number and then the clerk hash key. But for some reason, possibly because the button's been misprogrammed, you can no longer sign on to the register, so you can't actually process a sale or use it. Your problem is you can reset the clerk button, but if you turn around to the PGM mode to actually do this, the till will ask you to sign on, which you can't of course do. So we can resolve this. There's a couple of steps. The first thing to do is do what's called an initial clear, which will clear the initial lockup, which will let you basically use the machine without signing on, and then you can reset the clerk hash button. Okay, so to do the initial clear bit, you turn the key to off, press and hold down the feed key, and while still holding down, turn the key to PGM. Release feed, press subtotal, the machine will go through a lockup clearing process and then it will print out a small receipt. You're in the PGM mode, so don't turn the key. The first thing to do is to go down to system setting, cash amount 10 to go into it, and then to reset the clerk sign on button, it's free, subtotal, 0, clerk sign on, followed by subtotal. You then turn the key back round to reg, and you should now be able to log onto the register and process any sales. For more information on using the SES400 and other Casio cash registers, please visit casiohelp.co.uk. Thanks for watching.